Hey guys, so this is part 2. This is how it's going to end up. And how I made it look like that is I did marker on here. And then I put my mask on and my goggles and went to the shellac. So that's a natural product, sort of. They used to use on like decks and stuff. Now they use more chemicals, but that's made of like bugs. Bugs make it. Again, you want to have this on and that, just so you always protect yourself from chemicals and stuff. But that is the final product, which I'm very happy. It has a gloss. It made the marker run. So that's cool. So now we have, we've got some other ones over here that the kids are making up. And then I'm going to shellac them and then use a hairdryer or just let it dry outside. And then you've got old timey paper that's really tough. So it's good for a movie or a short or for Halloween. All right, there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, definitely wear your mask and your goggles and be outside if you can. All right, cheers guys. Bye.